Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making my all-time favorite cheesy crackers. This is a really easy recipe and I hope you like it too. So let's get into it. So first I'll take a mini chopper. You can use a food processor or you can do this by hand if you're making a larger batch. I'm making a smaller batch, so I'll be using this. Into this I'll add in flour, and some grated cheddar cheese. A pinch of salt and chili powder, and I'll mix it. Now I'll add in chilled butter, and I'll add in only 2 teaspoons of ice cold water. Remember, we don't have to knead it, we just have to bring all the ingredients together. Now I need a cling film. Now I'll let it chill in the fridge for half an hour. It's been 30 minutes and my dough is ready to roll. Oh, and not to forget, let's take out some parchment paper. Now I'll cut it using a cutter and a bench scraper. I'm marking it to 1 inch. And now I'll transfer them to my baking tray. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 8 minutes or until golden brown. Hear that? It is done! Don't they look nice? Now I'll transfer it to a platter. Let's give it a try. These cheesy crackers came out so delicious. Do give it a try. It is such an easy recipe that you can make it anytime. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.